In a world where businesses demand more from their software, one company is redefining what enterprise technology can do. Welcome to BossTech Innovation. Our mission is simple yet bold. We build enterprise software that is powerful enough for large organizations, yet simple enough for any team to use from day one. No complexity, no compromise. Meet Boss ERP, a complete enterprise resource planning platform with 14 powerful modules, finance and accounting with multi-currency support, automated journal entries, and full general ledger management. Sales management covering quotations, sales orders, delivery notes, and invoicing. Inventory control with real-time stock levels, warehouse zones, batch tracking, and serial number management. Human resources with employee management, payroll processing, leave management, and attendance tracking. Manufacturing with bill of materials, work orders, and production planning. Purchasing with supplier management, purchase orders, and goods receipt notes. Customer relationship management to track leads, opportunities, and customer interactions. Project management for planning, budgeting, and resource allocation. Asset management to track fixed assets, depreciation, and maintenance schedules. Quality control with inspection workflows and compliance tracking. Comprehensive reporting and analytics with interactive dashboards across every department. What truly sets Boss ERP apart is its enterprise-grade capabilities. Full Arabic and multi-language support with right-to-left interface, making it ready for global and Middle Eastern markets. An AI-powered chatbot that answers business questions, generates reports, and helps users navigate the system instantly. And a multi-organization hierarchy that lets you manage multiple companies, branches, and departments all from a single platform with consolidated reporting. Our three-dimensional warehouse management system brings your warehouse to life. Visualize every rack, shelf, and bin in an interactive 3D environment. An AI-powered assistant answers questions about stock levels and suggests optimal put-away locations. Real-time tracking monitors every movement, while smart operations automate picking, packing, and shipping workflows. BossTech AI wizards transform how businesses build workflows. Create intelligent step-by-step processes with 12 different input types. Fine-tuned language models power smart automation, from model selection and data preparation to training and deployment. Every workflow adapts and learns from your business patterns. Our LLM Fine-Tuning Platform makes custom AI accessible to every business. Select from leading open-source models. Prepare your training data with our intuitive tools. Fine-tune with Unsloth for 2 to 5 times faster training, and deploy to AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud with a single click. We even automate marketing. Our AI video generation platform creates cinematic promotional content using Remotion for programmatic video, ElevenLabs for professional voiceovers, and Kling 3.0 for photorealistic AI-generated scenes. Professional quality videos produced in minutes, not weeks. And there is so much more. BossTech Innovation is continuously building cutting-edge projects powered by artificial intelligence. From intelligent automation to predictive analytics, we push the boundaries of what enterprise software can achieve. We also provide fully customized solutions tailored to your unique business demands. Whether you need a specialized workflow, a custom integration, or an entirely new module, our team builds it for you. Your business is unique, and your software should be too. BossTech Innovation. We are building the future of enterprise software. Follow us on LinkedIn to stay updated on our journey, product launches, and industry insights. The future starts here.